Okay, so I just wanted to show you what semi-melted coconut oil should look like. So it's still got its chunks of coconut, but it still has like liquid. I'm gonna beat this up, so it's gonna be like a softened butter texture, basically. There you go. Coconut oil, butter extract, almond extract, and some vanilla. And basically you do semi-melted coconut oil. So just melt it a little bit in a saucepan, but not completely, and then that will help it to whip up into more of a butter texture, like a softened butter texture. And you mix the extracts into it so that it carries the flavor well within what's your butter, your dairy-free butter, which is your coconut oil. But that's what you're looking for, is just that creamy look, just like as if it were softened butter. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all real quick. This is the texture that you want your filling to be. Basically where you can press down with your thumbs, and you're gonna use that to wrap around one cherry. And you can use dark pitted cherries for this, and it would be a healthier alternative. You're just gonna kind of press it around the cherry, pinch it off, and these are gonna go back to the fridge to chill before you chocolate coat them. So that's how that's done. And the cherries are patted and dried. They've been rinsed off, so you want them super dry to do this, or otherwise it's gonna just end up being a mess for you. Okay, so the cherries have been in the freezer and they've chilled to where they are really hard. And the chocolate mixture is all melted and it's actually been cooled. So you want it to be completely cool, because otherwise you're going to have all this coconut white filling melting. So you need it to be completely cool. That way you can drop them by balls right here without the chocolate melting on you. And then it should be good to sit out on the counter until it's all good and done. Because the chocolate will harden. You'll see on these balls they've already hardened, and that will hold anything that might melt within room temperature of the coconut oil. It'll hold it in, so it might be a little bit juicy when you bite into it, but it'll be good. So that is how you make your